52 minutes past the hour. One of America's most popular and picturesque national parks has a little bit of a secret. Yellowstone in northwest Wyoming, land of geysers, mountains, and lakes, is also sitting atop a supervolcano. And it just took what scientists describe as a deep breath, causing miles of ground to rise dramatically. So what does this mean? Well, joining us right now is Michio Kaku. He is a physics professor at the City University of New York and the author of the upcoming book, Physics of the Future. Thanks so much for joining us.
Glad to be on.
So the last time this...
We have interrupted our programming for an emergency broadcast. Please stand by. We have interrupted our programming for an emergency broadcast. Please stand by. We have interrupted our programming for an emergency broadcast. Please stand by. A supervolcano named Yellowstone supervolcano is about to erupt. People near the supervolcano will die. People 1,500 miles away is safe. We advised everyone to evacuate now. Please stand by for information. Please stand by for information. Please stand by for information. People are starting to evacuate. The supervolcano is erupting after 5 minutes. People who didn't evacuate will die. 965 people evacuated. Some people didn't believe our emergency message. Please stand by for information. Please stand by for information. Please stand by for information. We just announced that the supervolcano is about to erupt after 1 minute. If you didn't evacuate, go to an underground bunker now. When you don't have a bunker, be with your loved ones and hug each other and die with dignity and respect. We are now signing off.